Yo, what's up guys? It's Piogus here, the Crypto Pie. And today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin, guys, because what other coin indicates the market better than Bitcoin? Right, so what Bitcoin will do will kind of tell you what the rest of the coins will do, right? The majority of them. So yeah, just looking at Bitcoin, guys, looking at the daily, and obviously I had to change my lines because we broke that one, right? So we have a next one right here. We have 1 dot, 2 dots, and we'll see if another one will hit. But that is what we have for now. And I know this looks kind of like a descending triangle, so we don't want to break this to the downside, because then the next area is actually like right here at the 5k zone. But for now, we're looking, I mean, I'm not gonna say okay or anything, but we are still like we are in a bigger triangle. So do I expect a bounce? That is a major question, right? So if we look at the weekly, guys, right? So people would say we're in a bear market. I agree on the daily term, etc. But on the weekly, no, we're not on the bear market at all, right now, right? Yeah, I mean, this is like really crazy, guys. But if you look at the $700 here, right, and then you take this here, then we're just at a retracement, right? We're just at a retracement of like a 6.5, and 786 is at 4,800. So and that is a major move, right? That will be a 1 and then a 2 and then a major 3. So we'll have to see what happens. But weekly, no, we're not bearish just yet. We don't want to be bearish weekly, guys. That'd be terrible. Okay, monthly, well, that is just too crazy for me to look at. Daily, once again, we're at this triangle, and we're nearly oversold, right? So obviously the 3-day we're not oversold, but we are never oversold here. Okay, we are close to, and this is BitMax actually, guys. Oh well, there's not a lot of data here, but whatever, we'll do it on BitMax today, right? So we have the daily here, and with the 12-hour way oversold. Look at that, guys, way oversold. All right, keep in mind this is BitMax perpetual inverse swap contracts. I have it on here, guys, because I trade on BitMax, right, in order to gain more Bitcoin on my Bitcoin. That is what you can use BitMax for. But I would only suggest that to people who've been trading for a while, because it's leveraged, so there's high risk, high reward, right? 12-hour way oversold, 6-hour way oversold, 4-hour was way oversold. We had a bounce, and then we're oversold again. 3-hour we are way oversold. We had a bounce, oversold, and yeah, you can see the picture, right? 2-hour we were way oversold, bounce, oversold, bounce. So right, so let's take a just look at what do we need to break. Well, that is very simple to look. All right, so just go on to your 15 minutes, guys, if you can, and just put your line from the top to the next top. Right, obviously we need to break this line, go above the cloud, and then after that we have the 7.2k right here. Let me just mark this as well. Right, we have another area we need to break here, 7.2, and we will just march our way up there. We'll break that, break that, break that, break that. Right, we need to break through all of these targets, guys. So first one, 7.2. Well, first one is this diagonal line, then 7.2, then 7.320, then 7.548, then 7.823, then 8,000. Right, and we need to go through all of these targets, guys, and that is all resistance now. So, but as you know, I don't like having all these lines on the chart, so I'm getting rid of them. Because I don't need that, right? I can see that myself with my eye, but that's just to point out to you guys. So 15 minute, I just like to have Fibonacci's on, guys. That's what I like to have, right? And nowadays I have, well, I always had the EMAs, and I added the VWAP, which is the volume weighted average. It's basically just the average of the day, and the price always likes the magnet to VWAP. So yeah, if you're in a downtrend, when you're above VWAP, it might be an okay time to go short. If you are in an uptrend and you're under VWAP, it might be a good time to go long. But don't only base it on VWAP. Always also use other indicators such as the RSI, the Fibonacci, the price action, everything around it, right? You cannot only base it around one thing. So, right, confluence is king. So yeah, I mean, there's not all that much to say, guys, other than oh yeah, I had a big question. So maybe you guys like me to do some live streams every now and then. If I will do live streams, it will be on twitch.tv/Pygos. Alright, it will not be on YouTube. Why, you would ask? Well, first of all, I'm an affiliate on Twitch because I used to stream games there. Maybe you guys watched me, maybe you didn't. You know, for example, I was playing MapleStory 2 on the Korean version, and some people were watching me and trading with me at the same time. We were trading altcoins, and right on the stream, guys, I show my trades live, and basically people got in with me and made nice percentages. But if you want me to do 2 streams, you know, I could consider that. I could consider going to stream again every now and then, but it will not be on YouTube. It will be on Twitch TV. Because of the fact that on Twitch I can listen to my own music, etc. Right? There's just not that many rules. On YouTube there's so many rules to streaming, guys. It's not even funny. So that's why I wouldn't want to stream on YouTube personally. I just don't. So yeah, it's up to you guys. You know, if you want me to stream, just leave it in the comments below, and I'll certainly I might stream every now and then. I'll let you guys know on my telegrams for sure, and also obviously on Twitter. So follow me on Twitter, guys, twitter.com/Pygos, and yeah, just obviously join the telegrams, and you will see some kind of announcements when I go stream, and you can kind of follow along with the trades, etc. that we're doing at that time. But for now, guys, for this analysis, I mean, there's not all that much to say. We just need to break all these levels, right? We're bearish right now, and Trent your friend, right? It nearly wrecked me yesterday. So Trent your friend, guys, and yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it, right? We will get some kind of bounce, guys, that's for sure. Alright, and there's one thing that you always need to keep in mind, and that is that we have weekdays and that we have weekends. Alright, if the weekdays are bearish, then often the weekend is bullish. If the weekend is bearish, then the weekdays are often bullish, right? So it kind of swaps around. So that means we could see a potential bullish weekend, which would mean that, you know, you get pumping in the weekend. That'd be nice, right? That'd be nice. Perhaps people can get out, or people, you know, just for a nice swing. Just a lot of opportunity when right, when you go counter trend. So perhaps we could get a bullish weekend in this bear market that we're currently in, and yeah, that'd be pretty cool. But anyways, guys, just put your bigger lines on your chart, right? Obviously we have this line. This is the most important line, guys. We need to break this line. The more we hammer on it, the easier it will be to break. Also, guys, if you're not using log chart yet, go switch to log scale right away. Right, the better traders use this, and that is because, look, guys, watch this. All right, so when you have it on linear chart, it just shows you like the regular price action, right? And you see huge percent, like basically you see huge candles going down. But in reality, on log scale, it looks at the percentages, so it's less. Right, it's less, and especially if I zoom out all the way, look at this, boom, that looks crazy, right? Because the price went up massively. All right, so price went up massively, but percentages didn't, right? Percentages didn't. And what do traders look at? they look at percentages, and that's what you should look at, guys, is percentages. All right, nothing else matters than percentages. All right, if you are in my Telegram channel and you're talking about a winning trade, don't talk about how much you went in with. We don't care. All right, we only care about your percentages, your return, all right, on your trade. So that is the only thing that matters. ROI, ROE, right? Not the amount of money you play with. I don't care whether you want to trade with $10, $50, $1 million, or $1 billion, guys. Everything is the same, and that's how you should think about it, right? You should not think about money as in what can I buy with that, because then you will make emotional trades. But you should think about percentages. And okay, so I have a loss of 10%. Okay, fine, I'll cut it. Boom. Okay, I have a profit of 60%. All right, maybe I should take some profits. Boom, you take some profits, right? And that's how you should think about it, guys. Percentages, percentages, percentages. I can't stress enough, right? So that's just something about that, guys. So yeah, in short, if you want me to stream, just leave it in the comments below, and you know, I'll think about that. And also, guys, if you're not in my Telegram yet, join up with the CryptoPies blog, you know, where you can ask me any question, you can ask other people questions, and you know, it's basically just a big chat box to be in about cryptocurrencies. And for example, this was an actual really nice article from Jerry. I like that the March 26 changes everything. I don't think it's entirely true, but there's some truth in there, right? The US is having trouble, etc., and it will affect cryptocurrencies in a positive way. So yeah, just do a read on that. This one I read as well. I think it's kind of like tinfoil headed with manipulation cartel. It's kind of but nonetheless, it was a nice article to read. So thanks for that as well, Jason. So yeah, just join up, guys. It's a nice chat box to be in. Also, join up with the CryptoPies feed, where I post all my videos. I post all the upcoming announcements, upcoming ICOs. However, right now we're in a bearish market, so expect bearish returns, right? Also, when we are going in a bullish market again, guys, I will be posting a lot more ICOs, and it will be good to go in, because if you're in a bullish market and you pick the right ICOs, you can make a killing. All right, you can make a killing. We're talking 5x, 10x, right? 4x, 3x, perhaps even 20x sometimes. So yeah, it's just much better than right now. Right now, if you go into an ICO, more often than not, you just get either your money back, so exactly the same amount, or you get less, right? And I know there's like the crazy ones that do go 2, 3, 4x. Some even 10x, like one chain, right? But don't expect it. And even remember what I said about one chain, guys, right? And people started not hating, but they told me I was wrong. Well, no, look at the chart now, guys. All right, it went down. So right before we close this, guys, both telegrams will be in the description below. But let's see. All right, let's go look at one chain, guys. And what did I say? Right, what did I say? I said it will eventually drop here. Well, I mean, it's bouncing now a little bit, but I can still see it come down here at some point, because you have to remind yourself, guys, we're in a bearish market, and one chain comes out, and it comes out on a 10x gain. Something wrong there, right? So yeah, if you want to pick it up, guys, pick it up lower, right? Don't pick it up when it comes on exchange, unless you wanted to just quickly do a trade, very quick in and out. And yeah, so yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, hit that post notification button, and if you got any questions at all, leave a comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.